Hey there, for real fam! It's Anna, your friendly tech guide, back again with another episode. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that affects us all: seeing spam, fraud risk, or even scary things like scam likely on your iPhone caller ID. But don't freak out, because I will break it all down for you. So you just got a call, and your caller ID tags it as fraud risk, spam, or scam likely. And you're probably thinking, what's going on here? Well, relax. Your carrier is just protecting you from robocalls. I mean, nobody likes those, right? Before I carry on, if you're enjoying this video, why not hit that like button and subscribe to our channel? Also, let's get the comments section buzzing. Now let's roll on. Okay, back to our main story. You see, every major carrier in the US is currently working on implementing anti-call spoofing measures. That's why you're seeing these tags. However, it seems like some of us are still unaware or even confused about these new call filtering systems. Alright, so here's the deal. If you receive any calls that say spam risk, fraud risk, possible scam, or other variations on the caller ID tag, let it go to voicemail. Trust me, if it's legit and important, they'll leave a voicemail. If they don't, best just to ignore it. It's probably a robocall or, even worse, a phishing attempt. Speaking of phishing, some of these spam or fraud calls might leave a voicemail too. But remember, just because there is a voicemail doesn't mean it's legit. Let me give you a few tips to avoid falling into these traps. Number 1, never ever give out any sensitive or personal information over the phone. And number 2, don't let any scare tactics fool you. Most phishing attempts prey on urgency, like a compromised account or a payment that you owe. If in doubt, ignore and verify. If they claim they're from Apple, the IRS, or your bank, call those institutions directly using a verified number from their official websites. And if the same pesky number keeps pestering you, just block them. Now, you might be wondering, how are carriers even determining these spam and fraud risk calls? Well, it's all thanks to a network-level protection known as shaken/stir. This system authenticates whether a call is being spoofed or not. However, it's not perfect and might result in inaccurately tagged calls on your device. If this happens, just let your carrier know. Now, if you want to take matters into your own hands, there are other things you can try. For instance, most carriers offer actual call blocking apps. There are also third-party call blocking options available like Nomorobo or Call Control. You can also enable a special feature on your iPhone that sends all unknown callers straight to voicemail. All right, for real fam, we've come to the end of another enlightening episode. Remember, while your iPhone can help you identify risky calls, it's also up to you to stay vigilant. If you have any questions or feedback, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And that's a wrap for today. This is Anna signing off. Keep it real, keep it for real.